How much do you spend on cooking each month? I used to spend a lot of money on wasteful cooking. I eat eggs regularly, but every time I poach them, they break apart, bubble up, spill all over the pot, and lose their appealing shape. This is a waste. Understanding everyone's feelings, today I will share with you a method for poaching and frying eggs beautifully and effectively. These methods are incredibly simple, yet retain their nutrients. So let's get started. Tip 1. First, I dip the rice paper into water to soften it. Once it's pliable enough, I place it on a shallow plate. Next, I cracked an egg directly onto the center of the rice paper wrapper. Then, I gently folded the edges of the rice paper, enclosing the egg inside like a small pouch. To keep the eggs from spilling out, I secured them with a piece of green onion. After tying them up, I placed each egg package into a muffin tray to keep them upright and maintain a nicer shape during steaming. In a previous video, I used plastic wrap to make poached eggs like this, and I received quite a lot of feedback from viewers. One of the most interesting suggestions was to try replacing it with rice paper, which is easier to find, easier to eat, and more eco-friendly because you can eat the outer layer as well. Thank you so much to our viewers. After finishing, I placed the entire tray into a steamer. From the moment the water boiled, I steamed it for about 3 minutes to ensure the eggs inside were perfectly cooked. The hot steam gently cooked the eggs, allowing the egg whites to solidify into a smooth, creamy consistency while the yolks retained their richness and texture. When removed from the steamer, the outer layer of the rice paper has become slightly translucent and more pliable, clinging tightly to the egg inside like a thin, natural crust. Tip 2. First, I crack 2 eggs into a bowl. Then, use a water bottle to gently squeeze and suck out the yolk. This is a very convenient way to separate the yolk without using a spoon or eggshell. Which country are you watching this video from? Please leave a comment below. It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. Next, I took a few cherry tomatoes and cut each one in half. I spread a thin layer of butter on the pan to add flavor and prevent the ingredients from sticking. Then, I started arranging the tomato halves in a circle, leaving the center empty. This arrangement will create a shape resembling petals surrounding a central pistil. It's great to connect with you all from around the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Then, I gently placed the egg yolk in the center. Now put the pan on the stove. I lightly beat the remaining egg whites until smooth, then slowly poured them around the tomato ring, allowing the egg to fill the gaps and hold the entire shape in place. Once the eggs have set, remove the pan of eggs from the heat. While the pan is still hot, add the chopped scallions and a pinch of pepper. The finished product looks like a flower in bloom, with a yellow center, red tomato petals, and a soft white base surrounding it. A simple egg dish with a beautiful presentation. It's delicious and makes your breakfast much more enjoyable. Tip 3. First, I crack 2 eggs into a large bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and pepper. Then stir well until the spices are completely dissolved. Next, 2 sausages, chopped into small pieces. I spread a thin layer of butter on a pan. This step helps create a non-stick coating for the food. I prepared a bowl of clean water, then gently dipped the tortilla into it to soften it. This makes the tortilla more pliable, easier to wrap around the filling, and prevents it from cracking when fried. Place the pan on the stove and set the heat to low. Next, I slowly poured the egg mixture over the tortilla, making sure the egg covered the entire surface. Add the sliced sausage. Add 1 diced tomato. Which country are you watching this video from? Please leave a comment below. It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. Add chopped scallions to enhance the flavor of the dish. Grated cheese into thin strips. Add the cheese and stir well. These ingredients create multiple layers of flavor: savory sausage, fresh herbs, and creamy melted cheese. Next, I moistened the second tortilla and gently placed it face down on top of the entire filling, forming a tightly sealed sandwich. It's great to connect with you all from around the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. I brushed another layer of butter on top so that when fried, the pastry would have a beautiful golden color and a more appealing aroma. Once the bottom side is golden brown and crispy, I gently flip it over and continue frying until both sides are evenly cooked. Add some cheese and green onions to make the dish even more appealing. Cover with a lid and fry until the cheese is completely melted. When it was finished, I took the cake out. The finished product is a pan-fried egg tortilla that's crispy on the outside and rich and flavorful on the inside. Perfect for breakfast or a quick yet energizing meal. So today I've shared 3 simple egg tips with you, from soft and fluffy poached eggs to fried eggs and tortillas. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends and family. Your support is my motivation to continue sharing more simple and healthy cooking tips every day. Goodbye and see you in the next videos.